On St. Martin's Day, 11th November 2014, the Ljubljana Arbitration Center organized a traditional event in the field of commercial arbitration in Slovenia, the Slovenian Arbitration Conference. The Slovenian Arbitration Conference has established itself as one of the leading regional business events in the field of dispute management and resolution. The 2014 conference was devoted to arbitration in intra-ex-Yugoslavia commerce. Panelists and more than 150 participants also attempted to build bridges between mediation and arbitration and search for opportunities for arbitration in times of the recovery of capital markets. The participants agreed that similarities in terms of culture, language, legislation, and business environments have long allowed business entities from the territory of former Yugoslavia to pursue closer economic cooperation and investment opportunities. Mutual disputes between businesses in the region have traditionally not been resolved before national courts, but rather through arbitration, whereby parties seek a neutral forum and an arbitration-friendly environment. The second part of the conference dealt with bridges between mediation and arbitration. The participants acknowledged that mediation is increasingly becoming the number one choice for resolving commercial disputes. Parties use mediation as an independent mechanism as well as in different combinations with arbitration. This makes mediation part of a comprehensive strategy for the resolution of business disputes. The advantages of the mediation proceedings under the Ljubljana mediation rules, which are currently being drafted and will enter into force in 2015, were presented for the first time. The new mediation rules will reflect the latest trends in the area of alternative dispute resolution, while at the same time set up a straightforward and clear framework for conducting mediation with a high level of flexibility and autonomy for the parties. The afternoon session was focused on opportunities for arbitration in times of recovery of capital markets. It was acknowledged that the structural reform of the banking sector in Slovenia and the gradual disposal of national shareholdings in companies will open up the market for mergers and acquisitions. In addition, the recovery of the stock exchange and securities trading will thoroughly change corporate and financial relations. This process will render certain disputes unavoidable. Thus, the panel of specialist practitioners dealt with opportunities for arbitration to resolve disputes arising from mergers and acquisitions, financial restructuring of systemic enterprises, financial disputes and procedures for the privatization of state-owned companies. The conference was concluded with the Martins reception and a social gathering of the participants.